Why are many poultry farmers losing money before their chickens even mature? Watch these 12 days old village chicks carefully. Welcome to Farmers TV. Look at how healthy, active, and strong these village chicks are at only 12 days old. Many upcoming poultry farmers today rush to buy expensive breeds, like Plymouth Rock chicks, without first understanding the feeding costs, management, and market demand. But is expensive always better? Here in Zimbabwe, Plymouth Rock chickens are sold at a high price, and because of that, many people fail to afford buying them. Even though they are beautiful chickens, the cost becomes difficult for many customers and small farmers. But other breeds like Sasso, Henbro, and village chickens are more affordable, and even commercial businesses rush to buy them because they are easier to sell in many markets. Mature Plymouth Rock chickens can consume around 120 to 150 grams of feed per day, depending on management. Sasso chickens may consume around 110 to 140 grams per day, while Henbro chickens can consume close to 100 to 130 grams daily. Before starting poultry farming, ask yourself this question: can I manage the feeding costs until maturity? Now, look again at these village chicks. They are active, healthy, and growing naturally. Village chickens are known for being hardy and easier to manage in many situations. Many customers also like buying village chickens because they are affordable and commonly preferred in many homes. Another important thing is the market. Did you know that many buyers rush faster for chickens they can afford? Sometimes farmers focus only on expensive breeds while ignoring what customers around them actually want to buy. If you are a beginner in poultry farming, starting small can help you learn more without risking too much money. You can begin with village chicks, gain experience, and understand feeding, disease control, and marketing before expanding your project. Do not misunderstand this video. Plymouth Rock chickens, Sasso chickens, and Henbro chickens are still good breeds, and many farmers succeed with them. But every farmer must choose a breed that matches their budget, environment, and goals. Healthy chickens need proper care every day. Clean water, enough feed, warmth, and vaccination are very important. Healthy chicks grow into healthy chickens. So what do you think? Would you choose Plymouth Rock chicks, Sasso, Henbro, or village chickens for your poultry project? Which breed performs better in your area? Share your experience in the comment section. Thank you for watching Farmers TV. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like this video. And put your comment below. Which chicken breed do you have on your farm right now?